Hi, this is Gavin from FE Careers and Apprenticeship Job Search. I'm going to show you how to post an apprenticeship vacancy on Apprenticeship Job Search. All we need to do is log into your advertiser account. Now I'm on the FE Careers homepage here. Doesn't matter if I log in on the FE Careers homepage or the Apprenticeship Job Search login page. Either one doesn't matter. You have the one login. So let's just do it from Apprenticeship Job Search because we can. I'm going to log in. I'm going to be using my test account. So bear with me. I'm going to put in my username and then my password, and that will take me through to the dashboard. So I've got the dashboard here. I've got 2 live jobs at the moment. You can see how many job credits I've got available, how many premium credits I've got available. Premium jobs are really quite cool. They're a new feature on the new site. They appear very prominently on either Apprenticeship Job Search or on FE Careers right at the top of the page. They also have a very cool feature for hard to fill or urgent vacancies, an artificial intelligence backed and managed budget for multiple sites, which is really rather cool. We have the CV credits here as well. You see any shortlisted candidates I've got and any applications today. This is the day that we're launching the new site, so there's not much activity happening because we're about to go live in about 15 minutes. But I'm just going to hit post a new job. So you can see here I can either select Apprenticeship Job Search to post an apprenticeship vacancy or FE Careers for learning and development roles. I want to post an apprenticeship vacancy, so I'm going to tick Apprenticeship Job Search. It's asking here as well, you can see in this little section here, to add the word apprenticeship into the job title and the industry sector. So I'm going to have a retail apprenticeship in London. Minimum salary need to put in, so I'd say 15,000. Maximum salary will be 25,000. Really not, rather attractive. Apprenticeship, you can select to show a different salary, so you can put negotiable or whatever. I'd say it's a good idea to actually put in the salary ranges so as people know. Location, as it's based in London, just free text the word London, so you can say where that would be. We don't have, like on the old site, we don't have nationwide as a facility because we do radial searches off of the town of the selected. You can show a different location, like, I don't know, Enfield. You know, you could put in here, you know, Enfield if you wanted to. And that's just all works off free text basically. Job type is permanent, working hours, full-time. The close date automatically goes to 28 days. You can select it to be before, so I wanted to make it close on the 4th of October, for example. Here you can select the industry that the apprenticeship is in. This free text here rather than scrolling down, so we could put retail, the apprenticeship level. This is a level 2, so you select what level apprenticeship it is. Now here in the job description, it's a really good idea to take notice of this, is to include the qualification, the apprenticeship length and the name of the employer in the job description. It's really important to learners to have those details in. So this is a retail apprenticeship in Enfield for X, Y, Z, employer, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, the length of the apprenticeship, the qualification they're going to gain, etc., etc. The job reference, I'm going to call it the Enfield Retail Apprenticeship. Post the job immediately. You can make this job a premium. You will need a premium credit to do that, so you've got to get in touch with us about that, or you can buy that off your dashboard. But I just want this to be a standard listing. Hit post. Job done. Then you can see all of the different jobs that you've got across FE Careers and Apprenticeship Job Search. So I've got an engineering assessor on FE Careers. I've got a retail apprentice for Birmingham on Apprenticeship Job Search, and I've got this job we just posted just now for the retail apprenticeship in Enfield in London on Apprenticeship Job Search. So here on your dashboard you can see all the different jobs that you got, the expiry date, the posted date and the reference. Hope you find that really helpful, and thanks for using FE Careers and Apprenticeship Job Search.